Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamtamang. Today I bring for you all honey mustard yogurt dressing recipe. Please do watch video until end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends, eat to your home, or you can use this recipe to eat your work. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज पनि तपाईहरु माझमा मैले हनी मस्टर्ड योगर्ट ड्रेसिङको रेसिपी लिएर आएको छु। यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर तपाईहरुले आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि यो रेसिपीलाई प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। Honey mustard yogurt dressing is creamy, tangy, and slightly sweet. A lighter yogurt base twist on. The classic honey mustard is excellent for salad, coleslaw, chicken tenders, grilled meat, or roasted vegetable. Honey mustard yogurt dressing. Ingredients about 1 cup. 3rd by 4th cup Greek yogurt or thick plain yogurt. 1.5 tablespoon Dijon mustard or yellow mustard for a milder version. 1.5 tablespoon honey adjusts for sweetness. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil optional for smooth texture. Salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. Method. In a bowl, mix together yogurt, Dijon mustard, honey, vinegar or lemon juice and olive oil until they smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Taste and adjust balance: more honey for sweetness, more mustard for tang flavor. Chill for 15-20 minutes before the serving. Chef tips: for extra creaminess, add 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. For a spicy note, mix in a dash of candy or hot English mustard. Pair beautifully with the grilled chicken, roasted carrot, coleslaw, or leafy salad. Keeps oil 3 to 4 days refrigerator in a sealed container. Thank you very much, everyone. Please, everyone, I would like to request you all, always please visit my profile, have a look, many more recipe are there, and you have to do is like, comment and share, please, more and more. If you have any question, do not hesitate to me send a message or comment any of my posts. धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। जहिले पनि मेरो पोस्ट भिजिट गर्नुस्, हेर्नुस् र आफ्नो परिवारसँग इन्जोय गर्नुस् अथवा आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रलाई प्रयोग गर्नुस्। तर तपाईहरुले एउटा चीज चाहिँ गर्न पर्ने हुन्छ नि, के भन्दाखेरि त्यो चाहिँ भने तपाईहरुले कमेन्ट गर्नुस्, लाइक ठोक्दिनुस् र धेरै भन्दा धेरै शेयर गरिदिनुस् है त। मस्त रहनुस्, व्यस्त रहनुस्, स्वस्थ रहनुस्, जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ आफ्नो जिन्दगीलाई खुलेर जिउनुस्, जस्तो अवस्थामा, जस्तो सुकै परिस्थितिमा पनि। See you next in the video.